Welcome to the Youth Eco Summit 2017. Can you tell me what's going on here?
Today we're showing these kids our virtual reality film called Our Heritage. It's telling a story that heritage is more than buildings, it's about people and places and our connections to a place that make them important.
And we're here just to educate the children about trees and forest management and also about animals.
And we're engaging with students about how to be a town planner around the new metro stations.
If you have a look behind us, we've got kids trying to build some tents. We look at our guys over here with the stonemasons, the traditional way that they do things. We look after the environment with it.
We are teaching kids about waste and recycling.
We've been talking bird. We've just had a great gaggle of kids in here.
We talk about what we do with milk once it leaves the farm and what happens to it in the factory.
We've been making stone axes.
Weaving and string making.
Beautiful day here with lots of students.
Heaps of workshops around environment and sustainability.
What's been your favourite thing so far?
Designing our own Aboriginal prints in the sand.
Actually for fun, the silent disco.
We're doing a silent disco here for the kids, powered by Origin Energy.
What has been your favourite thing? The dot painting, Aboriginal dance.
Can you show us one of the dances that you learned today? I reckon that'll be fun.
Aboriginal youth leaders are sharing Aboriginal culture with the primary school students, and they're also learning that Aboriginal culture is a part of their culture.
That's it for this year. We hope to see you at the 2018 Youth Eco Summit.